Today we'll be installing a radio in a 1999 to 2003 Lexus RX300 using our 99-8164 dash kit. This kit comes in two different colors. First is our 8164G, which is gray, and then the 8164T, which is tan. Start by removing the center panel of the dash and unscrewing the OEM radio. Next, remove the OEM passenger airbag indicator and hazard button. Then the air vents. All three will be used in our aftermarket kit. Next, prep your new radio for installation by mounting the brackets and wiring the wiring harness. Harnessing is simple, with the exception of tapping into one factory wire, the beam bus wire. And plugging it into the additional interface. Once everything is plugged back in and your radio is mounted, reassemble the center dash. When replacing the factory radio in this vehicle, the climate and radio controls are one piece. The Metra touchscreen retains control of the factory climate system with an upgraded look and feel. And for customization features, go to the configuration settings and you can change the backlight to any color of your choice. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.